Welcome to my channel. I'm Scott, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of valuing CGI stock so we can determine if it's a buy or a sell. CGI provides IT and business consulting services all around the world. The company is headquartered in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and was founded in 1976. Let's get started with the model. This is a large cap company, 32 billion market cap. They're trading at 134 a share, and they have 238 million shares outstanding. We'll look at the ticker that trades on the TSX, so all the numbers in this video are Canadian dollars. Let's look at their financials. The way you value a company is you estimate the free cash flows into the future, and then you discount those numbers back to today's value. That's what we're doing in this video. And free cash flow is cash flow from operations minus capital expenditures. You can see they generate a healthy amount of free cash flow, and it's really consistent. 1.7 billion in 2020, 1.7 billion in the trailing 12 months. Net income is the profit or loss on the income statement. It's revenue minus expenses. And that goes up from 1.1 billion to 1.5 billion. Revenue is sales for the company, and it's pretty steady. It does go up a little bit from 12.2 billion to 13.2 billion. Their revenue in the fourth quarter of 2022 was 3.5 billion Canadian dollars. Here's a breakdown of their revenue. 617 million in Western and Southern Europe, 1 billion in US, that's their biggest revenue generator, $500 million in Canada. They generated 400 million in Scandinavia and Central Europe, 400 million in UK and Australia, 200 million in Finland, and 190 million in Northwest and Central East Europe. Let's look at their capital structure. 8 billion of equity, 4 billion of debt. They're 67% equity, 33% debt. And their net debt is 2.5 billion. So they have about 1.4 billion of cash on their balance sheet. I give them a whack of 11%, and that's a discount rate we're going to apply to the future cash flows. We estimated 4 years of future free cash flows. We also estimated the terminal value, which is all cash flows past year 4, that's 26 billion. We discounted those numbers back to today using the weighted average cost of capital. We get a value of the company of $23 billion. We divide that by 238 million shares. And we get a calculated stock price of $98. They're trading at 134, so they're trading at a 37% premium. It's a sell according to the model. The website Simply Wall Street is really close to me. They're at $89 a share, so they're saying it's 50% overvalued. 14 analysts priced this stock, and the average price target is 138. So they're saying it's 3% undervalued. This is where the stock has been trading since 2002, so it's pretty much only gone up. There was this big dip during COVID, but it came right back up past its all-time highs. Pretty impressive chart. You don't see many stocks go up like this consistently. This is the kind of stock I like to invest in. Low volatility, nice steady rise year after year. And before 2013, you could have got it for under $25. Now it's trading well over $100. There are 72 companies in the same industry as CGI. And CGI does not pay a dividend. They rank 8th in market cap at 32 billion. I converted all the numbers to Canadian dollars because most of the companies on this list only trade in the US. Their price to book is pretty close to average. They have an amazing PE. They're doing a great job at taking investor money and turning it into a profitable business. A PE of 2.4 is really amazing. They have a good price to free cash flow, not nearly as good as their PE though. Their price to sales is worse than average. But I'd much rather have a 4.0 price to sales and 2.4 PE than a company like CDW, a 0.9 price to sales and a 19.8 PE. Generating lots of revenue is one thing, but turning that revenue into profits is another thing. And CGI is doing that really well. So to summarize, I have them trading at a 37% premium. I rank their free cash flow 6 out of 10. Their revenue 7 out of 10, and their ratio is 8 out of 10. So let me know what you think. Please give the video a like, subscribe, or comment below. Also, if you'd like to get a custom valuation or just support the channel, you can become a member by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.